Hey friends, welcome back to my video one more time. Today we are going to explore one more question. Is there any quick way of making money online using live streams? So live streaming is currently one of the most exciting frontiers, offering promising prospects of making money. Thanks to the technological advancements, you can now get paid simply by live streaming. Here is how. So they will get you paid for in-video ads, donations and tippings, sponsorship, partnership, and affiliate programs, pay-per-view, live selling, regular viewer payments. The catch is to first create content that can successfully grab viewers' attention and keep them coming again and again to your live streams. When it comes to monetizing your live streams, your audience is undeniably your biggest asset. All you need is reliable live streaming solution that will enable you to multi-stream your videos on several platforms at the same time. So one service is like that called as OneStream Live. OneStream Live allows you to multicast both pre-recorded and real-time videos to over 40 social networking platforms and the web through customer RTPM settings. So visit OneStream Live to get to know more about it and get your first content published to earn money. Thank you. See you next time.